If you want to know how you can turn on or off the flash screen feature on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you the step-by-step method on how to do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility section, just look for Audio and Visual, then tap on it. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Flash for Alerts. Just tap on it, then enable the toggle for Flash for Alerts. And after you have enabled this feature, then select Screen from here. Now what this basically does is that it flashes the screen of your iPhone when you receive an alert. Now from here, you can customize when you want your iPhone screen to flash. Now if you enable Flash while unlocked, your iPhone screen will flash when you receive an alert while your iPhone is unlocked. And also you can enable Flash in silent mode. And if you do that, your iPhone screen will flash for alerts even in silent mode. And if you want to disable this feature, just disable Flash for Alerts. And after you do that, your iPhone screen will not flash when you receive an alert. And this is how you can turn on or off the flash screen feature on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.